What is a supernova? In this video, we will be covering what supernovae are, how and when they occur, what we can learn from studying them, how scientists study them, as well as recent observations of a supernova. To start with, supernovae are explosions that result from changes to stars. There are two main types of supernovae. Some supernovae occur in binary star systems. On the other hand, some occur following the death of really big stars. Binary star systems involve two stars orbiting the same point. Among the pair of stars is a white dwarf star, who is constantly absorbing matter from its friendly companion star. At some point, the white dwarf will have absorbed so much matter that it gets so big and just explodes, resulting in a supernova. The second type of supernova results from the death of big stars. This picture shows the before and after of a supernova, resulting from a star's death. As the star dies, its nuclear fuel runs out and mass starts to pour into the core. At some point, the core becomes so massive that it can no longer withstand its own gravitational force, thus resulting in a tragic supernova. Now you may be wondering, what is so important about these explosions resulting from stars? For one thing, the massive explosion results in the distribution of elements across the universe. Some elements include iron, calcium, and sodium. When dispersed, these elements can create planets, so supernovae also result in the creation of matter. Another thing that scientists do with supernovae is the measuring of the distance between objects in space. This also leads to the ability for scientists to study the expansion of the universe, which led to the idea of dark energy. Scientists usually look at supernovae through telescopes, big telescopes, although it doesn't always take big ones to spot supernovae. Some scientists also record observations about the X-rays and gamma rays produced from the explosions. To find evidence of supernovae, scientists must search for the remains of collapsed stars. Remember when I said that big telescopes aren't needed? Well, in January of 2017, Jorge Stockler del More used a 12-inch diameter telescope and looked in the distant galaxy NGC 1892. He compared his image to an archived image of the galaxy and noticed that the bright star was missing from his image. After consulting astronomers, he realized he had accidentally discovered a supernova. That's amazing!